Welcome to the WSL Surf Ranch. The final round of the Founders Cup of Surfing is about to begin. Watch some of the best surfers compete in the world's most premier wave pool.
Look at that!
It's almost like they're doing it so no one gets the advantage.
And here's where we're going to see Sparks fly as Medina makes his way to this inside ramp section. One more stall, opting for that quick two. We'll see what he can do on the exit. And Medina now maximizing tube time. Goes to the pop shove and he makes it.
That is incredible. We love it. We love it. Gabriel, the showman. There you go.
That opportunity to showcase what you have in the arsenal, he just did that, both on the left and the right. Oh, you let him hear it, let him hear it.
We'll see how Igarashi can finish this wave. He comes out of that pocket right straight up into the air. Can he get the completion? He does! Igarashi with
And
one
the
final
spin.
frontside reverse. What a way to answer back Igarashi.
Early air. Quicksilver best air, shock us to the moon. We love it. Keep it up.
Possibly G's best wave. That was incredible.
We're now in the Michelob Ultra VIP Skybox. Relax and listen to the music from the festival stage. Or head over to one of the poolside cabanas. Down below is one of two VIP viewing decks. There's another one on the other end of the wave pool. Let's go to the award ceremony to see our winners. Here's Kanoa Igarashi from Japan. Paige Harrod from New Zealand. Bianca Bootendog from South Africa. Michael Boris from Tahiti. And Captain Jordy Smith of South Africa. Thank you for joining us at the WSL Surf Ranch. We'll see you again during the championship tour.